What's up, guys? Oh, it's just dirty. There we go. What's up, guys? Another day here. Early in the morning. It's already 80 degrees. Saturday. We're gonna pick up that new build for the channel. Not gonna say what it is yet, but it is British. And I was gonna take the Element, but the car weighs 1,400 pounds. This has a class 3 rating, 3,500, but there's no way this thing can hold 3,500 pounds. The max towing capacity was 1,500 in the manual. The car weighs 1,400 plus the dollies like another 400, so you're looking at 1,900 pounds. I went on a forum. This guy trailers 2,000 pounds all day long with it and has no issues, but like I said, nah. Look at that. Yeah, but yeah, I'm not gonna use this. I'm gonna use the Blazer. So let's go get this.
Bobby's Backyard Auto Works. Check out what he's pulling in right now. We just towed this car.
But like I said, yeah, I'd open the hood, but a little issue there. All right, so that's a little walkthrough. I'll actually show you the trunk, inside the trunk. Oh yeah, it is a Sprite, Austin Healey Sprite. It's got a little soft top. I guess like a bikini top. It's got the frame and everything for it. Alright, so there she is. What's up, guys? Another day here, Bobby's Backyard Auto Works. We're going to continue working on the Austin Healey 66. We're going to put on the rims and, or sorry, not rims, wheels and tires that he got for it. Right over here. What'd you say it were? Inky? American Racing. American Racing.
Spectre wheels.
Spectre wheels. So we're gonna throw those on there right now so we can roll it and see if we can get into the garage today. And there's Ace. What's up, Ace? All right, let's get to work. All right, let's try an 18 then. Yep, perfect. Huh. Yeah, it's weird.
That's the odd number.
Yeah, odd. Never had an 18. I've had 17, 19, 21. Sure. He's had a couple. What'd you have? You've had a Ranchero? Corona. But I mean your American ones.
Oh, American cars? Yeah, mostly. I had a Falcons and Corvairs mostly.
Yeah.
A couple Ramblers.
What was your fastest one? Your V8 swap?
The 351 Windsor.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
That I had in my 67 Falcon that I sold as an idiot, of course. Regret it.
Yeah, but this one he's keeping. He ain't no dummy on this one. Yeah. He did good. These are very, very tricky. They're slotted, so sometimes it takes two people.
Two-man project here. Start making that list.
Make that list. Checking it twice. See what Santa Claus gonna bring us. Being naughty or nice. Center cap, please. Capper wrapper. All right, we figured it out. The rim's bent. Watch, if I spin it, you'll see where it hits, or you might see it bent. So what we did is we grinded it down so we can move it. So we'll just move this back wheel to, or this front wheel to the back. There you guys have it. Looks nice with the wheels on it. Very, very nice with the wheels. There's the infamous James right there. Alright, so now we're going to push it out to the front, see if we can get it in the garage. Alright, we got it up to the front of the house. Now we're going to push it into the garage. We cleaned up the garage a little bit, made some room. Yeah, it's not the best, but I'll clean it up some more once the car's in here and I'm practically done with the van. All I got to do is the shocks, electric fan, and the some gauges. So I'm gonna see if I can knock that out today. Might do a video, not sure, but let's get this in there. And there we have it. Got it in here. And we rubbed it out a little bit. Paint's not too bad. So we might do the rest of the car for right now. There are a lot of imperfections in the paint. There's a ding right here. Scrape on the rocker down there. Ding on the trunk right here. So, but, oh, here too. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but there's cracking in the paint. So we're probably, if he paints it, we're probably gonna have to go all the way down to metal, etch it, primer it, seal it, start all over again. And the only rust on it is right here. That's about it. All right, let's see if we get the hood open.
And this goes here.
All right, we got the hood open. It was kind of tough. We sprayed some WD on this, but he does need new hinges. They are cracked, and they already tried fixing these. You can see some welds. So, but we got it open. Little 4-cylinder, 1100.
Yeah, basically it's
1.1, whatever. This little box is a heater core. It's pretty cool. This is hilarious, man. They use dryer tube hose, but you know what? Whatever works. Whatever works. So we might keep it OG. We might keep it. We'll see if the heater core is good. If it's not, we'll take it to the radiator shop.
The original old school distributor cap. They don't even make those really no more.
Oh yeah. Oh wow. Yeah.
Straight old school. I have the replacement, but that's
all right.
Different.
That is cool. Yeah. But this thing hasn't ran since 1983.
It was polished at one time.
Yep. Polished at one time.
Basically,
got the dual SU carbs. Yep. I don't know if it's got the oil still. Let's see.
There's oil in them.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Oh wow.
That's a good thing.
Wow, that's really good.
You didn't do everything wrong.
Let's see. Wow. Yep. Oil. Man, I can't wait to get this running.
Looking at the Weber conversion and this and the
there's the glass.
It's almost the same price.
There's the filter. Yeah, everything looks like it's untouched. And I think back in the day, Tom Speedwell had something to do with this thing, if I'm correct. So if Tom Speedwell, if you're watching this, I'll tag him in the link in the description below. See if he remembers this thing. Where did we get it? In Los Alamitos?
Alamitos, but actually...
yeah, we got out in Los Alamitos.
We were in a big circle because they came out from out here from the valley.
I ski, but it did come out here from the valley, yeah. But check it out. Yep, since 1983. So let's see if we can get this running. That'll be on the next video, because we're gonna have to drop the tank. He just put this on here. He just got this, but it was sitting with no cap, so we know there's a lot of junk in there. But man, if These carbs still have oil in them. They might still work. They're junk.
Yeah, of course they're gonna need a rebuild, but
Yeah, the rebuild. The rebuild is gonna be about 250, 275, but for 300 or what, 400?
about 400 bucks.
About 400 bucks, you get the dual carb Weber with the manifold and everything, conversion kit complete. So we might just do that, but for right now, we're gonna try to get it running with these SU carbs. See what we can do. So maybe they don't need to be rebuilt. Maybe because it hasn't been sitting outside. It's been in a warehouse, so it hasn't been in the elements. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take out the spark plugs, and we're gonna put some mystery oil down in there, let it sit for a couple of days, and then we'll spin it, and then we'll probably put some more in, spin it, and then we'll see if we can get it running. We'll put a full tune-up on it, cap, rotor, spark plugs, wires, condenser, and we'll make our own gas tank, and we'll run it off of that.
Right here. Perfect.
Yeah, from right here, because it has a mechanical pump. Or no, it has an electric pump.
It's electric pump. Yeah.
Well, we'll hook up our own electric pump
exactly.
from the makeshift gas tank.
Exactly.
So we'll do that. And right now we're gonna take out the battery so we can get a new one. And if we are correct, this is a positive ground.
Yeah.
If they haven't converted it, but hopefully they converted
It's
it.
been converted.
Yeah, hopefully it's been converted to a regular negative ground and positive. So we're gonna check that right now. Let's see.
It's Anders positive.
All right, so we just verified. Hope you can see that right there. Positive goes over this way. Ground. Negative. Hopefully that comes out. Negative. Boom. So yeah, this has got that. It's a special name for this wiring system.
It's called negative. No,
Well,
positive earth.
Look at this thing. This is hilarious.
It's like out of a house.
Yeah, it looks like out of a house. We'll trip out.
Relief valve, I guess.
Yeah, relief valve. Let's see. Put some WD on that. So we'll probably change the.
Yeah, we'll have to change all that for sure. I gotta get the list going, I guess.
Yep. But we want to get it running first, though.
Yeah, you're right.
Just with the stuff that it has on it, see if it runs. Screw it.
Yeah, before we go too far.
All right, guys. I think that's gonna end this video for part 1 of the 66 Austin Healey. On the next one, we're gonna try to get it running, put a battery in it, see if we can switch it over to negative ground with a positive. And he already has the master cylinder and everything like that. That might be part 3, but part 1 we're probably gonna try to get it running and switch over the wiring. And yeah, whoever had it, yeah, like smoking. But yep. This is gonna end this one right here. Alright guys, this is gonna end Bobby's Backyard Auto Works. Until next time, please like, share, subscribe. Talk to you later.